This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad at home without custard powder. First, select 3 to 5 different types of fresh, ripe fruits. Think about a good mix of colors and textures, like berries, melon, and grapes. Make sure to wash all your fruits thoroughly under cool running water. Then, carefully cut any larger fruits into bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1-inch cubes so they are easy to eat. Now, let's talk about delicious dressings without custard powder. A fantastic option is a simple honey lime dressing. It adds a bright, refreshing zest that really complements the fruit. For a creamier texture, you might consider a light yogurt or coconut milk-based dressing. Don't forget to enhance the aroma and visual appeal with fresh mint leaves or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. Once your fruits are prepped and your dressing is ready, it's time to combine everything. Gently mix all the prepared fruits with your chosen dressing in a large bowl, ensuring every piece is lightly coated. For the best flavor and a refreshing experience, chill the fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. You can serve it in individual bowls or a beautiful large serving dish. To keep your delicious fruit salad fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will typically stay good for up to 2 days. A helpful tip to prevent fruits like apples or bananas from browning is to add a small squeeze of lemon juice when mixing. And hey, if you're looking to bring your space to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.